In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Instagram posts with Later. By the end, you'll know exactly how to line up your content so it goes live automatically, saving you time and keeping your feed consistent. First, log into your Later account. When you're in, you'll see your content calendar and media library. This is your workspace. If it's your first time using Later on this device, you may see a quick tour or prompts. Feel free to skip or follow along, but the process we're about to cover stays the same. Next, connect your Instagram profile. Later will guide you through a quick authorization so it can publish on your behalf. Make sure you select the correct Instagram profile, especially if you manage more than one. Grant the necessary permissions so scheduling works reliably. Once connected, you'll see your profile available for posting right inside your calendar. Now you're ready to create your post. You can click Create Post, which opens a post builder, or you can drag a photo or video straight onto a time slot on the calendar. Choose media that fits Instagram's recommended sizes and aspect ratios so it looks crisp. If you're working with multiple files, pick the one you want to feature and keep your brand's visual style in mind for a cohesive grid. With your post open, add your caption, hashtags, and confirm your media. Write a clear, engaging caption that leads with a strong first line and keep your tone consistent with your brand voice. When adding hashtags, aim for relevance over quantity. A focused set generally performs better than a long list. You can paste in hashtags you've already researched and consider mixing broad and niche tags to reach the right audience. Choose the date and time to publish. Click the date picker and select when you want the post to go live. Be mindful of your audience's time zone and typical activity patterns. Posting at a time your followers are most active can improve reach and engagement. Planning a content cadence, like certain themes on certain days, can also help you stay consistent. Finally, click Schedule Post. You should see a confirmation and your post will appear on the calendar at the selected time. If you spot something you want to tweak later, open the scheduled post to edit the caption, swap media, or adjust the timing. It's that simple. You've just learned how to schedule Instagram posts with Later. Log in, connect your profile, create your post, add your caption and hashtags, pick your date and time, and schedule. Happy planning and enjoy the extra time you'll get back in your day.